What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Did you guys see that? There's something weird going around here. I think we got some aliens running around.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
I'm not sure if a lot of people do this for Christmas. I know they do like the reindeer thing on the windows, but for Halloween, I'm also hoping that the paint doesn't stain the car because I'm gonna be using the bloody paint mainly on the front of the car. And I don't want to get the carbon fiber all stained up with blood. Definitely some teeth. I'm gonna be adding some teeth to the front of the car, maybe by where the intercooler is, and I don't know, I'll see what else I can find. Alright, so what else do I need to pick up? I need the blood. I need some type of like decoration. Maybe some fake spider webs. I got the teeth. I know I'm gonna forget something. I think I got all the supplies, and before I actually start doing anything to the car, I'm gonna wash it really quick because I don't want to add all that stuff while it's dirty. So the next thing I'm gonna do is wax the car with this McGuire's wax. That way the bloody paint that I'm gonna put on the car doesn't really stain it. It gives it a little bit of protection. So let's get to it. So you really don't have to wait for this wax to bond to the surface. You can wipe it off right away. And let's see this carbon fiber shine. Let me give you guys a little update. I re-cleared my carbon fiber trunk like 2 years ago, and this thing's still holding up pretty well. Look at that. And this thing's exposed to the sun every single day. So if you guys want to see how I did that, go down to some of my videos on the channel and you'll see it. I actually screwed up that time and I had to wet sand it and polish it to bring back the shine because I got a shitload of like orange peel. But I think after that day I learned how to lay down the paint a little better, and yeah, still holding up good. So here's most of the supplies that I'm going to be using, like some caution tape. I bought these rubber foam gaskets. I need to do a little modification underneath the headlight because I do have a little gap down there that I don't like. And I bought some chains. Actually, I bought one big chain, so I'll put that somewhere in front of the car. But first, I need to take off the bumper to put that rubber foam on, and from there we'll start the mods. One last thing, the blood. Forgot the blood. All right, so now that I'm done, this looks so much better. I used to have a huge gap underneath both headlights. All filled in. So first, I think I'm gonna add some teeth to it. Gotta have those teeth. And for that, I bought this construction paper that I'll be cutting into some big triangles to put some teeth somewhere down here. So I have 4 teeth. I think I'm gonna do 4 big teeth on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 small ones on the bottom. I think will look okay. Next, I'm gonna be adding some caution tape. I think somewhere along the window, maybe some in the front bumper as well. Just fill up the car with caution tape. Oh damn, shadows look mean. I got some caution tape all over the windows. I got the teeth on there, and now I'm gonna splatter some blood on it. All right boys, so it looks like the paint kind of dries, and after it dries it doesn't look so red, but I've added quite enough to where it got all over the place, and this is what it ends up looking when it dries. So I gotta add hella paint on here for this to look real. Should I add some to the hood? I don't know. It looks like it kind of stains it, but I think I can clean it out. I think it'll wash out later when I wash the car. I don't know. It looks pretty tight though. kind of ran out of daylight. It's freaking dark now, guys, but I still got to do a little bit more touch-ups. I might add some more caution tape, because having a dark paint on this car and trying to put some blood really doesn't show that much. So I'll be putting probably like a couple more strips of caution tape on the fenders or somewhere on the hood. I'm gonna go and try to park somewhere where there's light to show you guys, because it looks insane. It looks freaking sick. I gotta take off those chains though, the fake chains that I put hanging off the front bumper. I only do that when the car's parked. So plus I don't want the chains scratching up the car anyways. Damn, S2K, brother. So yeah, I'll show you guys when we get there. Damn, everybody's looking. They see those teeth. Now where can I park? I think I know where. Damn, you still can't see it that well. Damn, that looks mean. You can kind of see the blood. It's hard to see it, guys, but it's there. The teeth makes it stand out a lot, and you have to see it in the daytime. But I might add some more caution tape right here, just to add a little bit more blood and just make it a little more scary. But what do you guys think? Did it turn out okay? Well, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you guys do this to your car too. Hopefully this paint didn't stain my car, especially the carbon fiber, because it's gonna be a pain to get it out. So I'll see you guys on the next video.